I'm just putting together a lazy breakfast, and I'm thinking of my departed friend Phil Rogers of Phil and Florence channel, and I thought it'd be a fitting tribute just to show you how I put together a real quick lazy breakfast, and discuss the loss of a great friend to the foodie community on YouTube. So as you see, what I do for my lazy breakfast is I lay my sausages, I lay my bacon rashers, I've got some British black pudding slices there, and I've got a tomato which I've cut in half and dusted with a bit of salt. I want to give this a quick going over with some spray oil, because that helps everything crisp up nicely. That now goes into the oven. I put it in about 200, just over 200 degrees Celsius for about between 7 to 10 minutes. But I keep my eye on it to see how everything is. And the reason I use chipolatas is because they're nice and thin and they cook round about the same time as everything else. And by the time the bacon's crisped up, everything else is just about ready. I used to run a bed and breakfast, and this is basically how I cook the breakfast for the guests. So I'll slam that in the oven, and meanwhile I'll just warm up some baked beans and fry an egg. So there we have it. We've got 3 sausages, 2 rashers of bacon, an egg on some beans on a piece of toast, and a couple of slices of toast. Also we've got some black pudding, and we've got half a tomato that's been grilled. I'm sure I speak for the whole internet foodie community when I offer my sincerest condolences to Janet and the family, and all of Phil's extended family of friends, wherever they may be. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe, and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.